Are you dreaming of a waterfront property, miles of sandy beaches, a vibrant culture, and year-round sunshine? Well then, welcome to the Gambia. Overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, the Tangi Estate at Care Abu is the new waterfront and ocean view estate development in the beautiful coastal village of Tangi. A stunning location with direct waterfront plots on the Tangi River at close proximity with the Tangi Bird Reserve Sanctuary. You can own a piece of the Gambia's upcoming gated community. With 240 plots of land, this is the place you want to call home. Care Abu is easily accessible from the airport and only 45 minutes away from the Greater Banjul area. The Tangi Estate at Care Abu, the Gambia's new premier estate, where the sun always shines.